Let's learn some more sounds. First, say the sound, then listen to see if you got it right. Here are our new sounds. K, 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 k. L, s, k, p, d, b, d, s, l. Elk, elk. Ask, ask. K, it, kit. K, id, kid. Add, had. At, hat. An, hen. It, hit. Ip, dip. Add, sad. Lid, lid. Ed, lead. Ip, hip. Is, kiss. N, hen. Op, hop. Elp, help. Ill, hill. Ill, bill. Ill, dill. App, map. Op, hop. Ip, hip. Ill, pill. Rest, rest. Ast, cast. Ist, fist. Ast, fast. Here's a test. Keep track of if this is easy or hard for you. K, ip, kip. Ask, ask. Hem, hum. Ought, hot. All, doll. Hub, ill, kill. Bell. It, hit. All, dull. Ut, hut. Ask, desk. Bulk, bulk. Isk, disc. Ass, class. Boss, boss. Ill, bill. And hand. Floss. Floss. If this test was easy, move on to lesson 7. If this test was a little bit hard, repeat lesson 6. If this test was very hard, go back to lesson 5. If this video has helped you get better at reading, please share it with others.